So new product alert. We do have this new brand that I'm going to try out for you guys. It's called Liplove. It is a 4-in-1 beauty product, which means you can use it on your lips, your eyes, your cheeks, and as a highlight. So I went ahead and I tried this shade right here. It does come in a nice clear packaging. And I do appreciate new brands. I appreciate helping out small businesses, and anything we can do to uplift and promote within our beauty community is always going to be something great to do, right? So yes, I know that this company is based out of close by Dallas, Texas. So shout out to Texas. That's right, we're in the house. And also the name of the founder is Latrice. So yeah, you can look her up here on Instagram. I'll try to link her handle here for you so you can go straight to it and check out her products for yourself. And she does have a very lovely website. I'll say there has plenty of information on there for you, the product description, what you can do with it, how to apply it, all the ingredients. And so I appreciate all her inspirational motivation on her website as well. So yeah, let's try this out and see what you think. So as you can see, this is our shade right here. This is our doe foot right here. It does feel very smoothing, not sticky whatsoever. Very slick and moisturizing. More of a bit of maybe a oil texture instead of a thick, sticky texture, if that makes sense. So what I did was I put some on the back of my hand instead of using the applicator straight on my eye. And I just want to see what I can get on here with the fingertip. I'm going to go ahead and drape it out here just a little bit. Use it somewhat as that highlight, as she mentioned. It does make for a nice lip from within glow. So this is what she looks like with a little bit of eyeliner dressed on her and some Tower 28 mascara. That's all we've got on the face right now. It is a nice clean girl makeup look. I also did get this cleansing oil right here. And this is supposed to be a nice treatment for your face. Like you cleanse your face with it, then you steam your face. So it should be a spa-like experience. We do want to try that. We do. So she did create this brand to be clean. That's right. Look at the ingredients. They're nice and healthy for you. Okay. All right. Try some Liplove. Let me know what you think. See you later. Just want to do a little card check-in just so you can see in direct, daylight. It is just a nice glowy kind of product. It is not glossy. What I mean by that is usually glosses have more of a thicker texture. This is not a thick texture type of product. So if your lips are dry and in need of some love, lip love, it's going to suck up all of that yummy goodness. She's a hydrating kind of gal. Okay. All right. So I do like it. I like it for the days where I don't want to be all caked up with anything. It's not cakey. It's just glowy.
This is our Rose Glow in production, and I want to talk a little bit about what it means to support locally grown businesses. So the roses and the ingredients are all sourced from family-owned farms. By the time these ingredients all of these components get to Liplove, everything is done by hand, not by machine. So the roses are hand selected and put inside of the bottles. The ingredients are mixed by hand and the bottles are filled. Then we proceed to label, package, all of that. That's a very different experience than going to a place where everything is done by machine or each of these pieces are synthetic or generic. That's a totally different experience than each of these actually empowering people and creating jobs.